According to reports and data, global infusion pump market size was $12.80 billion in 2021 and is expected to register a revenue CAGR of 9.4% during the forecast period. The rising prevalence of different cancers, diabetes, and other chronic diseases requiring intravenous treatment, and the increasing adoption of infusion pumps for post-surgery analgesics are some major factors expected to drive market revenue growth during the forecast period. Rapid implementation of advanced technologies in infusion pumps is another factor expected to drive revenue growth of the market over the forecast period. Infusion pumps are medical devices that allow patients to receive drugs in a controlled manner. It regulates the number of fluids supplied and is used for delivering large and micro amounts of nutrition and medicinal formulations, such as insulin or other hormones, antibiotics, chemotherapeutic drugs, and pain relievers.